happy day. Hope you're doing great. Hope you are phenomenal today. In this video, I want to share with you that 50% of this one thing will help you be a successful agent. It's like 50% of your grade, okay? If you were in college, high school, when 50% of your grade is weighted on one thing, don't you think you should know about it? I'm going to drop it on you. Be prepared. We're going to hit it in just 1 second. Before we get going, jasonfinalexpense.com. I coach, I partner with some of the most amazing agents on this planet to sell things like final expense insurance, mortgage protection, and Medicare insurance. If you need help, reach out. I'll help you in any way I can, okay? So 50% of an agent's success will be condensed down to this one thing, okay? We're going to talk about a couple things, but this one thing is what holds 50% of your grade, okay? Your score comes down to 50% of this thing I'm going to share with you, okay? Half of the battle, okay, of your success simmers down to one thing and one thing alone. Show up, suit up. You want to win football games? Guess what? Half the battle is you got to get there, okay? You got to do some work, but you just got to show up. You got to get on the field, okay? You cannot score a touchdown if you're in the bleachers, all right? And so many insurance agents, sometimes they start off in insurance and they just want to sit in the bleachers. Like, I just want to watch everything happen. I just want to clap, okay? I just want to observe, okay? Let me tell you, people that sit in the bleachers don't make points, okay? They're busy doing the rah-rah, okay? That's your consumer base. You as an insurance agent need to understand that half of your success involves you having habitual behavior, that you show up, okay? You gotta suit up first off, okay? You can't get on a field unless you're suited up, am I right? Go try to find one game in the NFL where, okay, the men weren't suited up when they stepped on that field. Correct me if I'm wrong. First off, they had to show up, okay? 50% of the battle. They couldn't, okay, ever have a chance of scoring unless they showed up, suited up, and then got on the field, okay? You can prep up, skill up, hone up, be ready to engage. You've got all of the mental mindset, skill set, okay, mastery level, okay, techniques. But you know what? It won't matter if you don't show up. You can be the most amazing team, and who cares if your plane doesn't land and you don't dress up, suit up, and get on the field. So many agents fail because they overanalyze, okay? They just like get in their own head. They like spend all this time doing busy work, and it's sad, okay? It's pretty rare that this takes place in my agency, but you know what? There's a couple folks that this does take place. They're amazing people, amazing men and women, but sometimes you've got this like roadblock, okay, that you got to overcome. And once, okay, agents overcome this roadblock, oh my word, the sky is the limit because they're skilled, they understand what to do, they are talented beyond their understanding. They are so good, okay? They really are, but you've got to get on the field. When we stay up in the bleachers, okay, we're an observer, okay, like golf clap. That's what we're doing. You cannot score a touchdown when you're in the bleachers. Get out of the bleachers, okay? Nobody can make you get out of the bleachers. Suit up. If you've got the skill, suit up. These people need you. Suit up. If you want something, work for it. Unfortunately, I can't train the hustle muscle. I care about everybody, but let me tell you, I can't train the hustle muscle. Half the battle, y'all, is showing up. Just showing up and suiting up, okay? And then getting after it. If you're a final expense telesales agent, you're going to have to do a lot of dials. You're going to have to do a lot of smiles. You're going to have to get kicked in the teeth. It is what it is, okay? I say what I mean, and I mean what I say. Not everybody likes me. It is what it is, okay? I'm very direct. Some people call me a velvet hammer. I'm very direct. I care a lot about folks, but I'm very direct, okay? If you want something, you have to be willing to work for it. Nothing comes cheap, free, or easy. If you expect the insurance industry to be cheap, free, or easy, my goodness, please don't get into the insurance industry. These great people need you. They want you, okay, to serve them. But if you think it's cheap or free or easy to do insurance, you're fooling yourself, okay? Some of the most amazing things that are accomplished in life take hard work, okay? If you want something, be prepared to work for it. No different than when I talk to my amazing kids. I love my kids, but I tell them all the time, nothing's free, okay? Your electricity in your room, that ain't free. It isn't. Your water, that's not free either. Daddy pays for it. Mommy pays for it. That's how that works, okay? Turn that light off. Okay, it is what it is, right? If you want certain things, you've got to be willing to work for it. Nothing good comes free, okay, other than maybe like once a year when 7-Eleven has the free Slurpees. That's pretty awesome, but it's pretty rare, okay? It really is. That's the exception, not the rule. So when 50% of your success is boiled down to you just showing up, don't you think that's important? Giddy up, okay? You can hop on a horse, but if you don't tell that horse to giddy up, does it matter? No, it doesn't. You're just a dead weight sitting on a horse. The horse is powerful, but you've got to be willing to say, giddy up. Have some courage, and I know you guys do. I know you want to be successful, and I know you will be successful when you implement high skill set, high training, high mindset, high tactics, okay, on how to serve your consumer in the right way, not the wrong way. Nothing I teach in my telemastery programs is abrasive. It is all pro-client. That's where it needs to be. They need your professionalism as you serve them. They do. They absolutely need you, but they need you to be professional. I can't talk today. It's been a long day, you guys. This is like the tail end of my day, okay? It's like 12 hours deep, okay? You need to be professional to get a good proven result, okay? You're going to have negativity. It will take place, and a lot of people lose heart. It's not nice being told no all the time. You get told no more than you get told yes. It's just a fact of insurance, okay? You're going to get told no a lot, but you've got to get on the field. You want to make a goal, okay? You want to make a field goal? You want to make a touchdown? Guess what? You've got to get through the defense to have good offense, okay? Get out of the bleachers first off and giddy up, okay? And then use your high skill set, high training. You've practiced, you've drilled, you've rehearsed, you've done all that. You flew in, you paid for your leads. Get after it. You're going to have to be prepared for some good defense. Be prepared to run. Be prepared for folks to chase you. Be prepared for adversity. It will take place. Okay? Even in football, you better be prepared to take a hit. Okay? If you want to make it to the end zone, take your hits. Okay? Because you knew it was coming. Handle your objections because you knew they were coming at you anyway. You weren't surprised by an objection happening. You weren't surprised when your prospect told you no. That's their job, okay? That's their job, is to tell you these objections that when you're highly trained using proven power scripts, proven platforms, you're going to understand that that's not a true objection. It's a smoke screen. You can run through it and you won't get harmed. You won't get hurt when you're properly trained. So half the battle is just show up, suit up, get on the field, okay? Throw the ball, okay? Throw the ball. Be prepared to get hit. Be prepared for the objections that will come to you. You want to make some good scores? You want to make some amazing, okay, contacts and some amazing needs that are going to be met by the value and the offerings you're going to bring for your consumer? Get through the defense if you want to play some good offense. Get through that defense. Pierce through. Blast through. Be faster. Okay? Be better skilled, better trained, better prepared, and you will be a victor in this space. You will dominate the insurance world, whether it's Medicare insurance for the greater good of your consumer, final expense life insurance for the greater good of your consumer. They need you, you guys. They need good agents serving them. I partner with a lot of people. Let me tell you, they need you to serve them. Good people, good agents, they need more of you. Agents that are just in this for nothing more than the money and don't know how to like take care of people with professionalism and serving your clients in a proactive, okay, client-focused way, just get out of the industry, honestly, please. Like, good people need good agents. And I know you guys are good agents wanting to take care of people, but you know what I'm talking about. You ever feel like you step onto a car lot and you're just like a piece of raw meat and a bunch of dogs coming after you? Sometimes insurance agents treat clients that way, okay? You are treating your client, okay, in maybe an abrasive way, okay? Nothing I train, okay, in handling our consumer is abrasive. It's all pro-client. That's very important that you understand this. You need to be focused on your consumer with proven platforms that bring value to them, that help them understand the value that you bring, okay, in the solution, okay, that will serve their families. They've got legacies to protect. Make sure that you're bringing, okay, your product in the best way to bring the most value. It's value-based, okay? It's not pitching a product, selling a widget, okay? But make sure you're trained hard, okay? You want to win some Super Bowls? And I've never, okay, done any of it, by the way. But I'm just saying, if you want to do it, guess what? Those boys practice harder than anybody else. You want to win? Good. Get ready to sweat. You want success? Sweat for it. You want to be a good insurance agent? Sweat for it, okay? You want something good? Work for it. And you got to work and get your reps in, okay? You got to do the hard things, not the soft things, and you will be successful. You will find yourself as an insurance agent just like, whoa, how did this happen? It didn't happen by accident. It happened because you worked and worked and worked hard. You did those hard things so that you could serve your clients in the greatest ways. You could help them with proven solutions from A-rated companies. Keep after it, you guys. Keep after it. When you got told no, defense hit you, keep in the game. Stay in the game. Don't leave the game and hop in the bleachers. Don't be a voyeur. Keep after it. You want to have success. You want to have your wins. Guess what? Okay? I don't know many football teams that haven't taken their losses too. Nobody's like gone, okay, to the Super Bowl and never had a loss. Am I wrong, guys? Maybe I am. I'm not a huge football guy, but I don't think that's existed. I don't think anyone's gone to the Super Bowl and like never lost to anybody ever, okay? You're going to take your losses. Don't let your losses create in you as an insurance agent a time where you lose hope, okay? You have the ability to move forward. You have the ability to get your wins, but you've got to have enough wisdom to understand you can make it. Half the battle is showing up. Half the battle is sweating for it, working for it, and just pursuing your consumer with passion and care. You can do this. You can be successful in this space. But 50% of an insurance agent's success is just showing up. Be suited up. Have your script right. Have your rebuttals right. Be ready, okay? Get suited up as a telesales agent. Get suited up, okay? If you're a face-to-face insurance agent, so you're dressed up and look decent, because they got to look you in the face. They don't have to look me in the face, okay? It's kind of nice. So it doesn't matter. I can wear this and be comfy. I don't have to do the whole suit and tie or polo or wear a briefcase and drive all over tarnation, okay? We don't have to do that. It's amazing. We control time as opposed to a face-to-face agent, okay? You guys are doing the good work, but as a face-to-face agent, let me tell you, you're getting no-showed. You're dealing with a lot of different variables. Y'all are. You're doing great work, but I'm telling you, you don't have the ability to control time and have the opportunity to have more conversations, okay? We're able to have more conversations with more people, creating more opportunity as a final expense telesales agent. It just is more profitable, okay? It just is. Because we're able to have more, okay, connections. It's all about the connections, okay? If I can have more connections in the course of my day, I'm going to be able to have more met needs in the course of my day, weeks, and months, okay? So half the battle is showing up, you guys, but be skilled when you do show up. Know how to do some good work, okay, to serve the greatest generation on the planet. Hope this helps you guys, but just show up and keep showing up and keep showing up. And if you got beat yesterday, keep showing up eventually you're going to get your win. Half the battle is showing up. If you want something, you got to work for it. If you want success, be prepared to sweat, okay? But the success that will come as a result will be something that you're proud of. I hope you had a phenomenal Monday, you guys. I'm going to go get some dinner because I'm hungry, okay? Been a long day. I'm sure you guys have had a long day as well, taking care of good people. Make good connections, okay? Help them with what they need, and you will find yourself a happier agent. Have a great night, you guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Sleep well. Tuesday is coming. Be ready for it.